Now, when you look at it from afar, this particular coin doesn't look all that impressive, but it's not until you zoom in, you realize what it is and how little of them we actually have. Hey there, everyone. It's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide. From Melbourne in Australia, we're looking at the Platinum Series 3 2022 1 ounce Tiger coin.
Yeah.
It is Tiger Week. Did you know that?
It is Tiger Week.
Technically, it's the day before Tiger Week. Why are we doing this on a Sunday?
Well, to be honest, we're doing it on the Sunday because we've got access to so few of these. They are such a limited mintage that we want to give anyone who wants them pre-warning. And we kind of felt that if we release this on the Tuesday or the Wednesday, that we probably wouldn't have any to sell.
Absolutely.
That would have been long gone by then.
Yeah, let's take a look at the other side we might even get some possible additional footage.
Yeah, we should do.
Of course, Her Majesty on the back. It's a 1 ounce Series 3 Tiger.
It is. So you'd notice it looks for all intents and purposes like the silver one, although it's slightly smaller. But it's actually the gold Tiger, same as the gold Tiger design.
Yeah.
They've only made 5,000 of these. The vast majority of which will have headed overseas. So they are very limited in Australia. And I can tell you from the numbers that we've been issued, they are very, very limited in Australia, and they will sell out really quickly. And going by the mouse and the ox, if you do a bit of research, you'll see their price rapidly starts to increase within a couple of weeks.
Okay, all right.
Not financial advice.
Never financial advice, of course.
Correct.
But look, we have to say what the reality is, and they do go quickly. So 5,000. How many in Australia? Do you happen to know how many in Australia?
I don't, but normally it's usually somewhere between 3 and 5%. So going on those numbers, there will be a grand total of about 100 in Australia. Now there may be, like I'm just working off, rough numbers that have been cast around in previous times. But even if you said there was 500 in Australia, which would be, 10% of the whole production.
That's nothing, yeah.
Mate, it's a drop in the bucket. It really is.
That's the very Aussie international subscriber. All you have to do is say, mate. And that pretty much says it all.
Well, look, I mean, if we got issued 500 of them as a store, I'd have 500 of them placed within 48 hours.
Absolutely.
So if that gives you some idea.
And we've already had many inquiries as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah, expressions of interest. So this is your first, or maybe your first, look physically, at least on a screen, of the 2022 Platinum Tiger coin in the 1 ounce size from the Perth Mint. Again, you'll get some lovely additional footage during and possibly at the end of this video. Is there anything else they need to know?
Not specifically. Go to the website if they're still there, which is hit and miss as of tomorrow morning, because this will be released on the Sunday. If they're still there, then grab them. If you're interested, don't muck around.
Fair enough.
Just grab hold of them. But look, outside of the fact they're a platinum coin, they're actually quite a pretty coin.
Oh, absolutely.
So great if you need to give something just that little bit dearer for someone in the year of the Tiger. Maybe yourself, I don't know, maybe a child, maybe a relative, maybe a good friend.
Whoever, it does not matter.
No.
Now, Monday, so tomorrow, Monday, September the 13th, is
correct.
The big release. It's the start of Tiger Week.
Yep.
So everyone needs to be, well, I wouldn't say everyone ready at a certain time, because we're probably not going to say a certain time for release, would we?
I actually don't know.
I don't think
we're turning them on.
I don't think we should, because we don't want the whole F5 refresh, crash the website type thing, which wouldn't happen anyway, but
But look, all the lunar releases that we can get at the moment will be released on Monday morning, so Monday the 13th.
Yep.
The only things you won't see on there will be the 1/20th.
Yep.
Gold Tiger, the 5 ounce, the 1 kilo, and the 10 kilo silver Tiger.
Okay, fair enough.
Everything else will be fair game.
No worries. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Head over to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Bullion Now. Nearly 16,000 subscribers. We're kicking goals, mate. We're doing something good. All right, that's it, as always, from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.